Sometimes jewelry breaks. I want to show you this ring that we're doing a repair on. This is an antique ring and has some nice pave set diamonds in the top of this. And it's white gold on top, possibly platinum. And then we have a very thin band. And what has happened is that this part of the band snapped right here. And you can see that that's separated. So it broke right about there. And what we need to do, because this is just worn out, just over years of wear, so we want to replace this whole half shank. So we're going to cut this part here all the way over to here. So basically straight across here. And we're going to add this new piece of gold onto this, and then we'll remove this and recycle that back and give the customer credit on that. So the idea is to just kind of refurbish this so it looks like it was when it was brand new, and give it another 20 or 30 years worth of wear. But a beautiful antique ring. You probably have some antique rings in your own collection. So take a look at them. If you need repair, let us know. But I'm gonna just kind of walk you through what we're doing. So that's it. Here we go. So the first thing we're going to do is mark and cut the old band off. Then I'm going to file the ring so that we can make a piece of gold, which you already saw. So this is me melting a piece of stock, and then what I'm going to do is roll this out with a rolling mill. I don't have this on the camera, but this is the part of annealing, and then I'm going to hammer it out, and it'll start going through the rolling mill. So you're going to see this little blob of gold get more elongated as it goes through the rolling mill, and then it'll look more and more like a ring shank. So that's what I'm doing here. So each time I have to anneal this, and then I'm going to hammer it out so it's nice and straight, and then we're going to do our bending coming up here. So there's the two together, and we're going to bend this so it basically creates a kind of a round circle. Get it to the right size, lots of filing and stuff like that. Now we're soldering it all together. We have different tools for this so that we get a perfect fit. And now I'm just cleaning it up, which is a timely process, but it's well worth it at the end. So this is at the bench working it out, and that is the done piece. So ready to deliver. If you got a repair, just let us know.